Today, I am there in front of you with a new topic, that is the role of character in personality development. Before beginning my words, I would like to say a few wordings. When wealth is lost, nothing is lost. When health is lost, something is lost. If character is lost, everything is lost. So before listening to my topic, please like my channel and subscribe it. We all have a false meaning that personality development means wearing good dress, wearing branded items or wearing jewelry or doing lot of makeup. We are good in front of others. No. In personality development, lot of things are there to do with your character. So you should know what is a character. Character means sum total of all the qualities a human being has, and it differentiates you from others. If your character is good, automatically you are noticed by everyone. For example, if you saw an act, you read a habit. If you saw a habit, you read a character. That means if you are having a good habit, automatically it results in your good character. If your character is good, automatically you are recognized by everyone. Every actions, your every words, it has limited use and you know what to say and what to do in a group. So what happens is that you are noticed by everyone. Automatically your personality among them is differentiated and you are recognized and you are noticed and you get appreciation. The person with good character is accepted and recognized by everyone, everywhere. So we should automatically know what are the qualities he should have. So first one is that honesty. We all know honesty is the best policy which every individual should possess. If you are honest everywhere, wherever you do work or wherever you go, everyone appreciate you. They like you if you are an honest person. The second quality is that courageous. You should have courage. Whenever you say a wrong thing, you should question back to it instead of keeping silence. In front of you, if somebody is insulted, get up and ask what is the wrong thing he has done. So you should be courageous. And third one is leadership quality. You should have leadership quality in a group. You should have a team spirit how to lead a group of people. For example, I will say Sachin Tendulkar. He was a very good cricketer, but he was not interested to become the captain of his team. So look, leadership quality is very important. And the next one is you should have patience. Don't take decision in hurry-burry. Whatever decision you take quickly, it make you down, make you fall in a hell. So what you should do, whenever you hear anything, sit silently, think about it. In my previous video, I have said about patience and keep silence. So look here, patience is also important. And last one is trust. You should have trust in others, and then only others will trust you. We all know that personality development and character is interrelated. Sometimes your character will mold your destiny even. So there is a saying, watch your thought, it creates your attitude. Watch your attitude, it creates your words. Watch your words, it creates your habit. Watch your habit, it creates your character. Watch your character, it frames your destiny. So what you should do is, whatever you are doing, you are differentiated from the work you've done. So what you should do is be careful. When your character is good, automatically you are able to mold your destiny. And if your personality develops with your character, when you are a particular person, you know the rules and regulation, you know how to behave in front of others. These things you are studying from childhood. That is the reason the parents say the student should go in a good school. From the school, we learn many things, how to behave with the people, how to talk with the people, how to mingle with the people. So these things, it automatically develops your personality. So give more importance to your character, then only your personality develops. Don't concentrate on the branded things you are wearing or branded products you are using, because we can see some people in a group, one or two persons, every time you remember their face, their words, because how they behave in a group. So try to become a good person. Try to avoid the negative aspects from your life. Be positive. Whenever you are talking, talk the good things of others. Whatever negative things they have said, avoid it. Then only you are able to shine in front of others. So now I will say some tips for personality development. The first tip is leave your comfort zone. What we are doing is that whenever you get a good job or whenever you come in a position, you are not ready to find out new thing, or you are not ready to face the challenges, or you are not ready to face the risk. You are not all the interest will go down. Once you get a government job, further development you are not interested. So what you should do is, once you come out from that and come out from that comfort zone and work hard, because we don't know what is our destiny. We want to create it and try to run behind the higher opportunity. So first one is come out from the comfort zone. The second point is that make every day new. Don't think that tomorrow I will do it. No, this is a fresh day. Don't wait for the tomorrow. Don't think of the past. Make the present day happiest day. Work hard. Don't waste a single minute in the present day, because we don't know tomorrow we are alive. Tomorrow we will be able to do it. Think this is the first day and last day which you can work hard. The third point is that find out your strength. What are the strengths? In what part you are excellent? Try to find out it. Work hard on it. Because we don't know if other person may be interested in dancing. Like she go behind dancing. But I am interested in music. Go behind it. Explore new ideas in it. And wherever you get coaching or training, adapt it. Nowadays mobile is there. You get classes from everywhere. And your teacher may be not near you, but you are able to gain the knowledge. So find out your strength. What you are excellent. Work hard on it. Fourth point is be optimistic. Whatever negative things you hear, or so many people may insult you, be positive, be optimistic. Think whatever you are doing, finally end result will be your success. Don't be sad when others insult you. So having a positive attitude, go forward. Fifth point is that evaluate yourself. Whenever you are free, sit for a moment. Think about yourself. What are the negative things you are having? Try to overcome it. For example, now it is Corona time, all are sitting home. What are all weakness you are having? Think about yourself. You get plenty of time and avoid whatever negative aspects. Whatever you are not capable, try to work hard on it. For example, students, if your handwriting is not good, now it is a time. Practice writing. Your sixth point is that read a lot. Reading increases your knowledge. We all have from small, when we are small onwards, we are hearing that the books are your best friend. Just try to read. Go on reading. Increase your knowledge. And it gives a freshness in your mind. New ideas come to you. So your sixth point is that read a lot. Then your seventh one is that concentrate on your body language. For example, when you are talking with anyone, unnecessary movement should be avoided. Look at their face, look at their eyes, and then eye contact should be there. Without looking at their eyes, don't talk. Then whenever you see some person, give them a flooding smile, happy smile. Not smile like that as though I have seen some person, I want to give a smile. Like that way, your smile should come from your heart. Smile properly, eye contact. Unnecessary movement should be avoided, and sometimes you can explain using your hands, but till whatever they are saying, you should try to listen to them and talk to them properly by looking at their eyes and with a smiling face. So So automatically you are remembered ever, and try to become a good person with a good character and good personality automatically comes to you. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.